Yeah. Hello guys, welcome to my next class of curve fitting. Now we already discussed in previous classes videos so many curves. Now I'm going to take the next type of curve is actually uh, what actually the curve is y is equal to a to x power of b. Y is equal to x power of b is now here this can also be observed carefully. Y is equal to x power of b. Now this is not a linear, this is not a polynomial. I told very clearly in my previous video, if you want to find out the best approximation curve, again y is having some set of values, say x and y, they having the values are x1, x2, etc., etc., y1, y2, etc., yn. I want to handle this. Now these set of values you have, they given the curve general equation curve. Keep in mind in their problem they not mention line or parabola. Other than that, any curve they expecting definitely they going to mention what type of nonlinear curve they require. Y is equal to into x power of b. I want to find out the best approximation equation to the line. Equation to the curve is nothing but y is equal to into x power of b. It's not a polynomial. What I told, this is my general solution, general equation. First I have to convert in the polynomial. How to convert in the polynomial? First I have to convert this power in the form of product. If I take log on both sides, log y must be equal to log of a into x power of b. Log ab is nothing but log a plus log of a power of m is nothing but b into log x. I told very clearly in my previous video, once you are converted in the form of polynomial, better to replace what are the variable having log, replace it by capital letter. A, capital A, B, small b to capital X, where capital Y is equal to log Y and capital A is nothing but log A, log small a, and capital X is nothing but log X. Okay? Log small x. Now this convert into linear, you know how to write the normal equation. Write the normal equation for this equation, not for the original equation, capital Y. Now here n case of values, we get n capital A plus b into sigma capital Xi, because A is not multiplied with any value. And next b is multiplied with x. We already know that how to write the normal equation. A into sigma capital Xi plus b into sigma capital Xi. These two are the normal equations. Also write the normal equations. After that you construct the table. What are the values are required, you find out in the table. The first two columns are nothing but the given values. But here I am required capital YI. What is capital YI? Is nothing but log of small I, and also required capital Xi is nothing but log of small xi. Okay. But we are finding the values based on capital Y and small y, capital X. I don't want after once you get capital Y, I don't want these two total. I require the total of second, third and fourth. And also want to find out capital Xi, Yi, and also I want to find out capital Xi square. Okay, fine. Find out these values, substitute in these two equations, we get in terms of capital A and small b. Solve that, we get finally the values of capital A and small b. But I don't want capital A because they are having small b value. What is capital A is small a value. What is capital A is log A. What is A is nothing but e power A. Don't take the b in terms of exponential. Leave it. That's why I have told very clearly. After once you consider take log in any problem to convert in the polynomial, better you write what are the functions they have log. You write it corresponding capital letter. Don't write the rest of the thing. Suppose they don't have a log, leave it as is. Here we don't have any log for b. Therefore, there is no confusion. We get directly, but you don't get it capital A value. This is a way to find out the values of A and B. Once you get, you substitute here. That gives us best approximation equation of the curve y is equal to 8x power b with the help of the given set of data by using method of least squares. The last equation, last curve I am going to explain. Y equals a into e power bx. Y is equal to a into e power bx. Now here, see, here I am considering only few curves. Generally, we take any different type of nonlinear curve. Keep in mind, if you want to write a normal equation, first always you are expecting the given general equation, the curve is in the form of polynomial. Once you in the form of polynomial, then only write it in the form, write it as normal equation. Don't write directly normal equation. Please take care of that. This is a point. Remember in your mind. You take any different type of general equation curve. Then observe is a polynomial. It's not a polynomial. You convert in the form of polynomial, and then we have to write the normal equation based on that. Okay. Now conversion is here I taken log because the product they having a power. Some cases we are doing simplification. We have shifted some term or dividing, multiplying like that. Okay. Then the next is take log on those, right? Log y must be equal to log a. This is a, so many function I explained. I taken directly log a plus log e. What is log e? Log of a power of n is log e into n is what? Dx. Log e base e, what is this value? Is 1, therefore what's the remaining? Log y is equal to log a plus dx. Now, I told very clearly what are the variables that have a log beta to replace corresponding capital letter a plus bx. Now, this is what is my capital Y is equal to log y, what is my capital A is equal to log a. And then you write the normal equation. You know how to write the normal equation. You say what's the first normal equation? A because suppose having n set of values b into sigma xi. I think it's clear how we get. You take the quotient of a, multiply the entire equation and take summation on both sides. That's all. Next you take the quotient of b is x small x into capital Y. It's nothing but a into small xi and then b into small xi square. These two are the normal equations. What are the values are required? You construct the table for xi, yi is a given value, and then here I want to find out which value capital Yi. Capital Yi is nothing but log of small yi, and then I have to find out the corresponding the values are involved in the summation in the simultaneous equation. What is that actually? Xi into capital xi into capital yi, and then xi square. Yeah, so should these values in these two normal equations simplify that, we get the equation in terms of capital A and small a. Finally, we get capital A and small a value. But I don't want capital A. Capital A is nothing but log a. From that, what is A is E bar. This is the thing. Okay. I think it's clear everyone this point. And then substitute these values in way in y is equal to E bar dx. Automatically we get this best approximation equation to the curve y is equal to n power of dx. If you want to write the normal equation and how to sum, take any equation, apply same concept. What's the first step? First you write the general equation, and next observe before moving to the next step. Observe what consider the general equation of the curve is a polynomial. Is a polynomial. Write it directly normal equations. Otherwise, you convert in the form of polynomial and then write the normal equation. How to write the normal equation? Take one by one unknowns are involved in the general equation. What the unknown, the term the having any coefficient, you multiply the entire the equation and take summation on both sides. Do continue this process until you reach the last unknown in the general equation. Automatically, we get a normal equation from this. Once we get the normal equation, you construct the table. What are the summation you have in the normal equations? Find out using the given set of data by the help of table. Once you get the values, substitute these values in the normal equation. Simplify that. Automatically, we get the values of unknowns are involved in the general equation. Now you substitute in the general equation. Then we say that this is a best approximation equation to the given set of data by the method of least square. Okay. Now moving to the problem based on that. In all the cases, I am going to discuss one problem. The first problem, the simple and easiest problem is straight line. Okay. I am going to solve one problem based on straight line, one problem for parabola, one problem for different type of curves. The rest of the problem I am going to upload. If you want to contact my through mail, my mail is roopakm10@gmail.com. You drop a message through mail Then I have to give your mobile number also for a WhatsApp number and send through PDF format through mobile. Okay, for the rest of the problem solutions. First problem based on the study. The first problem is using the method of least square. Suppose they not mention using method of least square also. You keep in mind you have to solve this problem by using method of least square only. Using method of least squares, fit a linear equation. Fit a what actually? Linear equation to the following data. Using first problem. I am not going to write the problem, entire problem on the board because suppose I write it simply wasting a time. Using the method of least squares, fit a linear equation to the following data where P is the pull required to lift a weight W. W is a weight. W is a weight. P is a pull. kg. Yeah. They given. See, if you want to repeat once again theory part, using the method of least squares, fit a equation to the following data. Where P is a pull required to lift a weight W. They given the data is W and P. Now, pull required weight, therefore W is independent, P is dependent on W. 50, yeah, 70, 15, 100, 21, 200, 25. Estimate P when W is 150 kg. When W is 150 kg. The estimation part we will do it later. But observe carefully this. I want to find out for best approximation linear equation to this. Now first you write what is a general equation. What is the general equation to that? Now which one is the independent variable W? Therefore dependent is P. Therefore P is equal to A plus B W. Instead of X and Y, this is Y, this is X. I written what actually P is equal to A plus B W. Now you can't write Y and X because they given the variables are W and P. This is our linear equation based on the given set of data. First row variable is variable is independent, second row is a dependent. Okay, fine. Write the normal equation. What are the normal equation now? The normal equations are what is the first normal equation? Pi. I ranging from how many values to 4? 1 to 4. Therefore, A is repeated only 4 times. B into sigma Wi for I ranging from 1 to 4. Okay, fine. And next is multiplied by W, we get Pi Wi for I ranging from 1 to 4. And then A into sigma Wi and then B into sigma Wi square. But keep in mind for I ranging from 1 to 4. 1 to 4. Okay. And then I told already very clearly, consult the table. I am not going to write each of the values on the board. What about that value for W? This is P. Yeah, W is 50 and then 70, 100 and then 120. This is 12, 15 and then 21 and then 25. I want W into P. You multiply the W into P. The first value of W into P is 600. Second value is 1050. The third value is nothing but 2100. 2100. Next last value is 3000. And also required P square. P square means square of this value 25,000. Yeah, 2570 into 74, 900 and then 4 zeros. and then 144, let's see, 2 zeros. Substitute these values in this equation. What we get, actually take this sum. Sum of, I want sum of Wi. Sum of Wi is nothing but 340. We just using a calculator. Sum of Pi, what's the value for this? Is the total is 73. The sum of Wi Pi is 6750. Sum of Pi square is nothing but the sum of Wi square I want. Wi square is nothing but 31,800. Substitute these values made in the Lamani equation. What we get, 73 is equal to 4a plus what is b into Wi. What is Wi? 340. 340 into b. Okay. And next Wi Pi value 6,750 equals 340 into a, and then 31,800 into b. We solve these two, we get a. No need I can explain how to solve. A is actually this is not capital A, actually small a. I did mistake here by writing that small a. To simplify that, what is my a? A is, after the calculation, A is 2.2785, and then B is nothing but 0.1879. Okay. And next, therefore, from this best approximation equation, the curve is P is equal to 2.2785 plus 0.1879 into W. This is the required equation. Is the required equation to the given set of data for the required curve by using method of least squares. It's very simple. I am going to take in next class parabola and some other nonlinear curve. Thank you.